Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm back with another try on haul, and this time again with my favorite brand, that's Fashion Nova. And as you guys know, fashion is all about comfort, be it you want to look pretty, cute, sexy or glamorous. And I have some really exciting outfits that I can't wait to show you guys. So without any further delay, let's get started. So guys, this is the first dress that I'm wearing and I feel like such a happy girl when I'm wearing it, because as you know that I love bodycon dresses and it's very glamorous, yet it's so comfortable to wear. Like I can actually go out clubbing while wearing it, and I can also go for brunch because it's like such a cute and fun and comfortable dress. And I love the Swarovski detailing on this, which kind of adds to the glam factor. I also have styled it with my footwear, which is matching, and I really like the color blue. That's why I have so much jewelry which is blue color. Even my nail paint is blue color, so I really like wearing this dress. So next up is this white Holdenite jumpsuit. It has a very unique style, and it has satin material, which is very comfortable. But what I love the most about this is the Swarovski that make it look so chic, and these puffy sleeves. I think I can also remove them if I want to go for a more casual look. I don't think I can go casual with this outfit though, but if I want to just like bring it down a bit. But when I'm wearing these sleeves, it can also be like a really cute and sexy look if I'm probably attending an event or something. So I don't wear jumpsuits that often, but when I checked this outfit on the website, I was like, this one looks very unique and I had to try it. And I'm so glad that I purchased this one, because all of my friends are asking me. I uploaded a video on Instagram and everyone has been asking me where this outfit is from. And yeah, I think it's very cute, it's very chic, and I love this. So guys, now I'm going to try the next look. So guys, I really love this dress. It has all these Swarovski details all over, which makes it so sparkly and shiny. And I think it's the perfect dress to wear on a date night, or even when you're going out to party, or even like a girl's night out. I love the flower detailing here and the cutout. I think that's giving it such a chic and sexy vibe, and I would love to wear it so often. So this dress is fitting me perfectly. It's very true to the size that I ordered. And of course it is a bodycon dress, and you guys know how much I love bodycon dresses. So this has to be my favorite from Fashion Nova. So guys, this is my fourth look, and this is again a bodycon dress. And I really love this color. It's like a burgundy color. So this dress has a pretty cute back, especially the color at the back is pretty cute, and the way it's going towards the neck area. I feel like this will also make for a perfect date night dress, because I personally like to wear like red or burgundy when I'm going out on a date. So yeah, it's pretty cute. So guys, this is my final look, and of course because it's the final look, it had to be the best one. And it is one of my most favorite outfits from all the looks that I've tried. If I had to rate it, it would be a 10 on 10, because I mean, like, just look at it, the way the slit is happening, and I especially love the color blocking, because the way it's happening, I think it really accentuates your body and your curves. So I really like the network over here, and I think it's a really hot dress, and I would love to wear it when I'm going out for partying, or maybe as some special occasion which demands some hotness. So guys, this is it. I'm done trying all the outfits that I love from Fashion Nova, and thankfully all of them fitted me very perfectly, and I'm very happy with all of the looks. So if I had to pick my favorite one, it's very difficult, but like I told you earlier that this is my favorite because I love black color and I love slits, I love bodycon, so this has to be my favorite. Anyway, do comment the one that you like the most, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.